Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring 10 beginner-friendly fall flowers that are easy to grow and beautiful to behold. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Number 1. Chrysanthemums or mums. Let's start with the classic chrysanthemums, better known as mums. These iconic fall flowers come in vibrant shades of red, yellow, orange, and purple, making them a go-to for seasonal color. Originally cultivated in China as early as the 15th century BC, mums symbolize longevity and joy. They're compact, bushy, and bloom abundantly in cool weather. If you're decorating a porch or garden bed, mums are perfect for giving that instant fall look. Great for those who want low-maintenance impact with lots of color. Beginner care tips. Buy them when buds are just starting to show. Water at the base, wet foliage can lead to mildew. Deadhead regularly to prolong blooming. Number 2. Pansies. These cheerful little flowers come in a variety of colors and often feature faces, markings that look like a tiny smiling mask. Pansies love the cold and actually bloom better in chilly temps than in heat. They're a great choice for containers, window boxes, and front walkways. Perfect for beginners who want something cute and low commitment that survives the occasional frost. Beginner care tips. Plant in early fall for longer bloom time. Water regularly, but avoid waterlogging. Fertilize every couple of weeks for maximum bloom. Number 3. Marigolds. Marigolds aren't just for summer, they can shine into fall too, especially in warm climates. Their bold orange and gold blooms practically scream autumn. Native to Mexico, marigolds have been used for centuries in Day of the Dead celebrations and even as pest deterrents in vegetable gardens. These are great for kids, beginners, and anyone who forgets to water. Marigolds are tough. Beginner care tips. Deadhead to keep them blooming. Give them lots of sun. Avoid overwatering. Marigolds like it dry. Number 4. Asters. Asters are like the fall version of daisies. Their dainty purple, pink, or blue petals bring soft elegance to any fall garden. These North American natives are beloved by pollinators, especially butterflies, and bloom just when other flowers are fading. Ideal for anyone who wants a fall wildflower look with a soft romantic touch. Beginner care tips. Cut back in early summer for bushier growth. Water consistently, don't let them dry out. Mulch in colder climates for winter protection. Number 5. Calendula, pot marigold. Not to be confused with standard marigolds, calendulas or pot marigolds are edible herbal blooms with healing properties. These golden orange flowers bloom best in the cooler months and are great for both ornamental and medicinal gardens. Best for beginners who want beauty and utility in the same plant. Beginner care tips. Harvest flowers regularly to encourage more blooms. Likes cooler temps, shade them during hot spells. Tolerates poor soil but benefits from compost. Number 6. Snapdragons. Snapdragons add drama to your fall garden with their tall spires and unique dragon-mouth blooms. They come in just about every color you can imagine. While often grown in spring, snapdragons thrive in fall too, especially in mild climates where they'll bloom until the first hard frost. Perfect for gardeners who want vertical height and whimsical charm. Beginner care tips. Pinch back early growth for bushier plants. Protect from strong winds. Deadhead to extend blooming. Number 7. Coneflowers, Echinacea. Coneflowers are native wildflowers that keep blooming into the fall with little fuss. Their daisy-like blooms and raised cone centers are magnets for bees and butterflies. They're great for anyone wanting a naturalistic or pollinator-friendly garden. These hardy perennials are drought-resistant and come back year after year, making them a smart long-term investment. Beginner care tips. Avoid rich soil. Too much can reduce blooming. Leave seed heads on in fall to feed birds. Minimal watering once established. Number 8. Black-eyed Susans. These sunny yellow flowers are as easygoing as they come. Black-eyed Susans are tough perennials that bring life and brightness to your fall garden. They're ideal for those who want set-it-and-forget-it plants that still make an impact. Beginner care tips. Cut back in mid-fall to prevent spreading. Tolerates drought once established. Deadhead for longer blooming. Number 9. Sedum Autumn Joy. Sedum, especially the Autumn Joy variety, is a staple in fall gardens. It starts pink and turns a deep rust color as the season progresses. It's a drought-tolerant succulent that thrives on neglect, which makes it perfect for busy or forgetful gardeners. Beginner care tips. Don't overwater. Prune in early spring to shape the plant. Can be divided every few years to create more plants. Number 10. Violas. These smaller cousins of pansies are just as colorful and often hardier in cold weather. They're perfect for containers, borders, or even indoor pots during chillier months. A great pick for beginner gardeners who want soft color through the shoulder seasons. Beginner care tips. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Trim faded flowers for continual blooming. Fertilize monthly for best results. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the 10 beginner-friendly fall flowers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!